Good evening once again, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Your Sketchup and Cat Tutor. So, in my previous video, I have made a mood board from the exterior 3D view. Now, in this my today's video, I'm going to show you how to extrude mood board from the interior 2D view. Okay, so here I have the image over here. Okay, so let me make it bigger. I select the 3D view, open this, it comes over here. Okay, now write the prompt generate a mood board of this image. Okay, and just click on the arrow. So it's in the process, so within some time you can see the output. Wow, it's going very fast. The story cell is coming. Yeah, got the result of this image. So now I can figure out I would like swarm paint, velvet gold, neoclassical moldings, linear lights, okay, accent shelving, palettes, your color palettes over here. So when I click on this, so I have all the things given over here. Done. So it's very easy, and you can download all the image. You can download this image first, then download this image also later. Okay, that's done. So thank you very much.